Have you ever wondered what the .cache folder in your Windows 11 is for? Well, it's time to lift the veil and delve into the mysteries of this hidden folder. The .cache folder, a familiar sight for many Windows 11 users, is a secret trove of temporary files. These are not the mysterious kind, but rather they are files generated by various applications and services during their everyday operations. The purpose? To boost performance and efficiency, of course. Now you might ask, what kind of temporary files are we talking about? These can range from cached data, logs, and other ephemeral information that applications create while they're running. But just like a closet full of stuff, it can get cluttered over time. And that's where the concept of clearing your cache comes in. It's a bit like spring cleaning for your computer. Clearing the cache can free up storage space and ensure that your system runs as smoothly as a well-oiled machine. Now, the beauty of cache files is that they're not precious. They're like the phoenix, rising from the ashes every time they're deleted, because applications will simply recreate them as needed. You might be wondering, how does one clear the cache? Well, Windows 11 has you covered. You can use the built-in tool in the Settings menu. Simply navigate to System, then Storage, and finally, Temporary Files. Choose the categories you want to clear and click on Remove Files. For those who prefer a more classic method, there's Disk Cleanup. Just search for it in the Start menu, select the drive where Windows 11 is installed, tick all the boxes under Files to delete, and click OK. For those specifically looking to clear the Microsoft Store cache, there's a special trick. Open the Run box using Windows plus R, type wsrset.x, and press Enter. Wait for the black window to close, and voila! Your Microsoft Store cache is as clean as a whistle. And if you're a fan of automation, Windows 11 can automatically clear cache files using features like Storage Sense. So there you have it, the .cache folder, demystified. It's a treasure trove of temporary files, helping your system run efficiently, and cleaning it is as easy as pie. Remember, clearing cache files won't cause issues with your apps, as they'll simply recreate the necessary files when required. So go ahead, give your system a fresh start. VoiceOver. We're thrilled you've stuck with us through this tech journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our content and helps us bring more tech and troubleshooting videos your way. Remember, knowledge is power, and every like, share, and comment empowers us all. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.